Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Is it important to you to know where your food's coming from and what's in it? I know it is for me, and I do love to make things from scratch, so that's why I'm so happy that I found this Vegan Revolution nut milk maker. We got it because we drink a lot of almond milk and other types of nut milk. Really wanted to control the ingredients that go inside. I am so impressed with how mighty this little machine is. It makes such a smooth liquid, not just with the almond milk, but we did hemp milk and we did a carrot sweet potato soup, and I couldn't believe it. I didn't even have to strain the soup because it was so smooth and so fine. It has many different settings. We've used the soy milk, which is what you use for any of your nut milks. And then we've used the juices and vitamins for when I just wanted to make a smoothie. Can you believe that? It does that too. It can blend up fruit for you. And then I did the soups and hot drinks for the soup that we made, and it makes it really piping hot and you can eat it right away. I'm using the Vegan Revolution about every other day to make nut milk. We like to have fresh milk and we go through it pretty quickly. I'm really happy with how well this Vegan Revolution works. If you're looking for something that makes nut milk and so much more, I highly recommend this one, and that's my point of view.